Today, Patty and I are exploring a true piece of history. We are at the ruins of what was called the Hualapai Lodge and then later called the Lake Mead Lodge.
This does not look like much, but as we keep riding up and down the road, I saw these buildings and I had to find out what they were. And these were a lodge that was built here at Lake Mead. Tourism absolutely took off here since the lake is right nearby. And people like Harry Belafonte stayed here, Don Rickles, all kinds of big stars that were in Las Vegas came out to stay here. We're told in our reading that there was a pool here and a bar and people just came and hung out.
I am standing in the area in front of all the bungalows where the pool used to be, right out here. And believe it or not, as you look way down there where the lake is, the lake shore actually used to be just on the other side of those timbers over there. This is just truly a piece of American history.
This place closed in 2009, but what this must have been like back in 1950s. When we came by, we could see one of the windows is open, and it really is amazing. It's got a fireplace. You can see where there was a kitchen. There are little steps in there, a couple steps up to where the bedroom must have been. This would have been a really cool place to visit. Passing by here and seeing, these what looks like run-down little bungalows, doing some research, looking at pictures. This is really cool. I'd love the opportunity to go inside, really check it out.
I know. And talking to the woman that was in the visitor center, she knew the whole stories about all of the things that happened here. And then we did some research and found that this really was a magical place throughout the years.
Yes, it'd be awesome to have it redone and rebuilt, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen.
No, they're trying to get it declared as a national historical site,
right.
But I guess there's some problems in doing that because it's on state ground and all of that type of thing. But walking through here really gave me that feeling of real live history and what happened when they made this. One of the wonders of the world is right up there.
Yes.
And another thing that if we could show this picture as we look out into the distance, the marina used to be right in front of us out here, and because the water levels have gone down so much, they had to move it 3 miles up the road. So just really some cool things to get out and explore, and that's exactly what we're doing today, is exploring in Lake Mead, Nevada.
Absolutely. So when you see something that's interesting, a little research, check out the pictures and go explore.
I'm Dan Hunt with my incredible wife, Patty Hunt, saying have a great rest of today.
And an even better day tomorrow.